Hi viewers, welcome to Manimantha TV. Today we are with Sian Mami sir. Today's topic is homegrown high-tech weapons, a winning formula. Sir, what is this topic regarding, sir?
See, this is regarding defense sector, arms and ammunition, planes, warplanes, ships. India used to import from other countries. Initiated from last 10 years, the success is achieved to great extent. Import substitution. Now, wherever the agreements is made to procure any defense sector products or any aeroplanes or ships or anything required, arms and ammunition, the government is making a precondition that first installment we buy, second installment, second stage, you have to transfer your technology management to manufacture in India. With this condition, India is allowing the defense manufacturers to manufacture in India. So that is giving good results, that many Indian companies are manufacturing for our defense sector. Maybe warplanes or maybe warplanes or ships, or we can say arms and ammunition. DRDO is play key role in deciding the quality of defense sector products. So, low cost and high-end technology is the important for success in warfare. Means this requires a lot of perfection and accuracy. Precise target should be this one, and all these are to be developed by homegrown weapons and solutions. It's the most important. The three things important is force visualization, force protection, and force application are the three things required in the defense sector. So, the demands of the armed forces has to be met by the supply from the government side. So, for this purpose, what the government has said, government is investing huge on defense sector from last 3 to 4 years. Maybe this is the fourth year. Also, inviting private investors to private manufacturers to produce and sell to the government. So earlier it was not allowed. The private sector was not allowed to produce defense products. But now this government is allowing the private companies also to produce the goods which are required by defense sector. So technological level is ready to beat technological impact. So this is the example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So when our dependence on imports is reduced and we are producing our many things required by our defense sector in India itself, so we will be prepared to face any challenge at the border or internally also. So this is possible with increased allocation for defense as well as the support given to the manufacturers. Guidance, support, planning, everything given to manufacturers. So every year the government wants to spend at least 3 lakh crores on defense sector. And see what is happening is, in the defense sector, the target will be fixed in the distance round. How many kilometers range it should cover. See, if the present target is 150 kilometers, it may take 2 to 3 years to reach the target. By the time it may require 750 kilometers or 500 kilometers like that. So we have to be prepared for after 4 to 5 years. So this will give lot of heavy investment, heavy technology and heavy quality, and that is possible only with perfect planning and implementation. And this is possible with modernization and acquisition of technology investments. So this investment in defense sector needs to be increased every 10% for every year, at least for next 4 to 5 years, to achieve Atmanirbharta in defense sector. See, everything depends upon how we overcome the Preventing the border is different. Overcome the means we are crossing the border. If it is required, we have to cross the border also. So how we can reach that? That is the possible. And now the government is concentrating mainly on defense sector to make our border strong, our defense sector strong, not only from landmark but also air and marine, means seashores. Protect all seashores from seashores, and all this possible with perfect instruments, perfect products. We can say precise destination targets, and regular research and innovation, regular investment, regular upgradation. Everything is needs time and money and dedication. And this is possible. All this is happening because of we are lucky to have the dedicated army for the country, disciplined dedicated army for the country. They are ready to provide any service to the country, even during natural calamities, as well as requirement at the border. So we have to make our defense strong to become strong. See, even financial reach, economical reach is not sufficient. Earning is different, protecting is different. So for earning, we may be strong, but protection is also important. Wealth creation may be important, but created wealth also to be protected. That is defense. So this is most important. And for this, the government is trying, and entrepreneurs also supporting, and technology or research organizations also encouraging. Their commitment is giving wonderful results in defense sector.